One of the top things that they are inundated with because they read so much about it is uplighting. Technically, all uplighting is an LED light that is facing upwards. There is way more to lighting when it comes to a wedding reception. For instance, a lot of venues, a lot of halls will have windows or some light. Well, if your wedding's in May, June, July, August, September, most of your reception will be light if you have windows. So creating the right atmosphere through lighting, whether it's bistro lighting or chandeliers versus uplighting, would be the right choice. Being a lighting designer, we are able to help sway you in the right direction with any budget or any look you're aiming for. When discussing lighting with clients, there are certainly different budget restrictions that we discuss. When they have a lower budget, we like to concentrate the lighting on the spaces that will give them the best wow factor for their dollar. The best wow factor for their dollar in this case would be concentrating the lights rather than spreading them apart. Most of your dancing shots, most of your photography will be right in front of your head table where the dance floor is. So if you only had money for 12 uplights or a monogram, certainly we can shoot those on the head table where those pictures are going to be. But again, just concentrating the light on one area versus spreading it apart. Anything in the middle of the room is going to give you your best value. So when a client asks us, do I need lighting for my wedding? Or I think I want lighting for my wedding, I smile because my goal is to educate them and help teach them what types of lighting would help create the right atmosphere and complement the decor that they already have in place. So we prefer to do a walkthrough with the clients and or the other vendors to find out everything from what color napkins to what style chairs they're using to what the feel they're looking for the reception. Pinterest certainly does help our game in regards to having them spend a few months showing us some different ideas of what they prefer for their wedding. When discussing different lighting packages, different looks, different products of lighting that we offer, a lot of clients have no idea what it costs. However, when you could show them examples, walk them through different venues, floor plans, show them some different ideas, you might create more of a want and a need rather than just coming up with a dollar amount. Most of our clients are very visual, especially when it comes to lighting. So to complement what they have in place and show them pictures, the dollar amount could certainly vary, but most importantly, they really have no idea to start with because lighting is not something you could certainly shop for like you could bouquets. One thing I wish more clients knew is the impact lighting could have on a reception on a more cost-effective budget. Sometimes we see clients spending upwards of thousands or tens of thousands on some decor. And we could certainly enhance the decor, but sometimes they overdo the decor where we can implement lighting to achieve the same, if not more, of a factor. So a lot of times during receptions, we will use some high-intensity warm LEDs that do up to 30,000 different color shades. What's nice about this is you can do your first look of a room with a nice warm, rich amber, which will give it a candlelight feel, which might be the feel we're looking for when your clients sit down and see the room for the first time. Having a lighting designer allows the designer to manipulate the colors, so during a grand entrance, we could certainly liven up the colors in the room. Maybe when you're doing your father-daughter dance and the room turns pink, it could certainly add a little atmosphere, or if the room turns blue when you dance with mom, a lighting designer can change that feeling.